Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Amsar Basbirapta, kelas 414A37, jurusan Humas. Part 1, Complete Test Text. Junko. Hello, Junko Morse speaking. How can I help you? Andrea. Hey Junko, it's Andrea here from Red Band. I'm calling about our letters order. Junko. Everything arrived okay, right? We got the delivery confirmation at our end. Andrea. Yes, everything's fine with the order. I'm calling about the invoice and the payment terms. I need a for. Junko. A for? What do you need? Andrea. This is a little difficult, but I need an extension on the payment terms. I know they usually 13 days, but we're having some cash flow problem. You'd really be helping us out if you could extend it to 16 days. Junko. I'm not sure if I can do that. Andrea. We've got regulation at our end and also have to manage our own cash flow. Andrea. I promise this won't become the norm, Junko. Actually, also want to place another the order, the same size order as last time. It's for an important customer and they pay on delivery. Junko. I see. So your cash flow problem will be solved after this new order is delivered. Andrea. Exactly. Junko. That sounds good. Hold on, Andrea. Let me see what I can do. Yes, I think we can make an exception this time. Andrea. That's great, Junko. I appreciate your help, Junko. And we appreciate your business. Andrea. It's work but wise. Andrea. Thanks again, Junko. Can you send me a quick email confirmation of payment terms extension? Junko. Sure, no problem. We're happy to help you, Andrea. Great, and email you the new order. Junko. Thanks. I kept an eye out for it. Thanks to you, son. Andrea. You too. Goodbye. Part 2. Complete this text. Teacher. So you've got a few minutes to discuss with your partner. Student 1. So as far as I know, the main similarity between Mars and Earth is that they can both support human life. Student 2. Yeah, but no, we know that actually true. I mean, Mars is much colder than Earth. It's say here it's about 5 degrees most of the time, whereas on Earth only place like Antarctica get that cold. Student 1. True. Well then, I suppose you could say but planets are a similar distance from the Sun. Student 2. No way. Mars is much further away. It say about 228 million kilometers, while Earth is about 150 million. Student 1. Yes, but it's bad net no not that far. Jupiter is like almost 780 million kilometer. That that's why we ask astronomical units when we talk about distance in space. Earth is one astronomical unit from the sun, and Mars is one. Three. The difference doesn't sound so big when you look at the way student to. I see what you meant. Jupiter 5.2 astronomical units, so I guess you're right. What other similarities are there between the two planets? Student 1. Let's see. Not the color, obviously. Student 2. Yeah. Earth is called the blue planet and Mars is called the red planet for pretty obvious reasons. Student 1. Their size are pretty different. Mars is about half the size of Earth. Student 2. What about this? It looks like they one both planet are almost the same length. Each day is 25 hours, but Mars is about half an hour longer. Student 1. You're right. Okay, any other this debate, sir? Student 2. I suppose you could say they have what they're in common. Student 1. Could you? Oh, Student 2. Well, Earth is 17 per second water and Mars probably had hooked ocean in the past. It's just that most of the water there now is probably frozen. Student 1. Ha, I see. I don't think we can say they are the same to most of Earth air is nitrogen and oxygen, but Mars, Student 2. Mars doesn't really have air, not compared with Earth. It's got about 1 per second amount air Earth. Student 1. Right, and it's mostly carbon dioxide. Student 2. Gravity is another difference. I didn't know this, but Mars has higher gravity than the Moon, but it's much less than on it, of course. Student 1. Oh yes, it say Mars has about 13 per second of Earth gravity. Teacher. Okay, let's see what you found.